Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to publish a WordPress website on Bluehost hosting. So when you log into your account on Bluehost, you're going to click on websites here and you will see that your website or which you have added, basically a domain. So you're just going to click settings and now you want to click on advanced right here. Now you want to click on cPanel manage. And you will be redirected to this page where you will see all of the tools. So now you're going to scroll down to the almost at the bottom where you will see software, and you can see here WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So you're just going to click on it. Now, as you can see, there's no WordPress installations because I just deleted it. So you want to click install. And now you can actually choose your installation URL. So choose your domain, which you want to install on. So for example, for me, I'm just gonna choose this one, and you can click quick install, or you can also create admin account, site settings, choose a language, select some plugins already, some advanced options, and you're just gonna click install. You can also just click quick install like so. And when the quick install is chosen, then you only see some plugins and you're gonna create admin account. So now I have changed the password. I'm just gonna leave the username admin, and the email would be this. Now let's install some backups. Maybe you can improve page speed by speedy cache, limit login attempts, email, if you need email, file manager, and so on and so forth. You can also add some other ones, manage some themes. So let's select the theme already. So let's choose this one, select the theme like so, and you're just gonna install. Now, as you can see, they found some error. So I'm just gonna click select the checkbox to overwrite the files, scroll down and click on install. As you can see, it may take up 3 to 4 minutes to install it, so let's just wait for it. And now I'm just gonna click return to WordPress Manager. So now you can just log into it and edit your WordPress website. And that's basically it. Now you can add pages, posts, some plugins, and so on and so forth for your website, and your WordPress is installed. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.